Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today, we are going to discuss the second half of the book activity of the chapter A Busy Month. The first activity, you are going to draw a beautiful nest. Okay, nest, it is the home for the birds. Okay, so the nest you are going to draw in your notebook. And the second activity, you have been seen the birds making their nest. They will use lot of different things like grass, twigs, and straws. All those things they will use and they will make their nest very beautiful. And today you are going to make the nest. Okay, so using the things which is near to you, use that and make a nest and make a paper bird. Okay, with the paper you're going to make a bird and you can place in it. Okay, it looks like a model of the nest and the bird. It looks so beautiful. For that you can also roll the paper and make a small egg like structure. Okay, so it looks very beautiful. It is actually the home of the bird. You can give colors also. You can have fun with painting that also. It will be a very good activity. And next, birds use the nest only to lay their eggs. Okay, so this is to only laying their egg, and after egg have hatched, the chicks have grown. They leave the nest. So this is the process for what they are making the nest. Okay, and after that they will leave that nest away and they will move out. So imagine how it would be if we also have leave our homes as soon as we learn how to walk and talk. So think that how it will be. Yes, so without our parents support we can't do anything, right? Yes, and after they leave their nest, different kinds of birds live at different places. So you could see a different type of birds. Okay, so not in one place you cannot able to see all sort of birds, right? So in land area you could see a particular type, and in the uh, trees you can see some birds, and in the aquatic region, that is the water areas, so near to the tree or else near to the water and land, so everywhere you can see lot of birds. So variety of birds you can able to see. Other animals have the different places where they live on, that is land, under the ground, in water, and trees. So animals they get the favorite their place where they can get their necessary things like food, shelter, water, where they can get that, and according to their body adaptation they will make their habitat. Okay, the place to live. Let us have some fun. So this is another activity. You have to make it into three groups. Okay, so and then you can draw the picture of a bird and you can give color. Then you have to cut it each picture out. Okay, each group have to draw different variety of birds. Okay, and not only the birds, the animals also you can. Okay, and you have to cut out it. Okay, and the children in one group they have to draw the background like a ground area, so it is with tree and the grassland. So in that area, now all the animals and the birds picture will be there, is it collected, right? So which animal will be in the land area? Okay, the hen, obviously you can see the hen, no hen, bird it is. And if you see like animal like a cat, dog, you can see that it will be in the ground area. Okay, so that you have to place it in the first chart. And second group, they have to draw the picture like aquatic region, that is the water region. Okay, like lake, pond, river, that area. If you see the animals, it is the birds also will be there in the lakes, you can able to see the birds, no? And aquatic animals means it is fishes, right? Fish, frog, okay, crocodile, you can able to see all those things. And third group, it is trees, the animals which lives in the tree. Okay, so like parrot, crow, so they will be have their home in on the tree. Okay, and animals also, even animals they will have the home on the tree. Yes, right. So now you can have this three chart and you can discuss about that, why they are living only in that particular area. Think about that. And next, bird feed. Have you observed their bird feet? So their feet will be differ from each bird. Okay, so this first feet, if you see this sort of feet, you can able to see in the water birds, so which is living in the water region, near to the water region. So that type of you can see this in the duck. Okay, so duck, if you see, they will have the webbed feet. This is called as webbed feet. Okay, so this is used to push the water back. Okay, so this is used in swimming. And next, second, if you see, it is like a very strong, like holding some things, right? So this is to hold the tree branches. So this is used for the animal which live, the animal, or the bird which lives in the tree. Okay, and next, if you see, to catch the prey. Okay, so it is obviously, it is for the hunting animals, that is hunting birds. Okay, they will have this eagle. Okay, eagle, vulture, all those things they will have like this. And to climb the tree. Okay, so for climbing, so which can able to walk, no, so that is the climbing tree. Okay, climbing on the tree. So the bird which can able to climb on the tree, that sort of birds will have this kind of feet. And to walk on the land, so this you can able to identify easily, it is an ostrich, right? So which they can walk on the land very easily. Okay, right. And the next, even the beaks is also get differ. This is because according to the food, so where they can get their food and how they can eat, so that for that it is get adapted like this. Okay, so the first, if you see, it is like curved, it is to tear and eat the meat, right? So in the crow you can able to find this kind of beak. And next, to make a hole in the wood and in the tree trunk, this is actually the woodpecker. You can able to see that it will be making a hole in the wood, right? And next, to suck the nectar from flowers. Okay, so the hummingbird, if you see, they will have this type of beak. And the next, to find the insect and worms from the mud and the shallow water, so they will have the sharp, long and pointed. Okay, and the next thing, to break and crush the seeds, so like parrot, they will have this kind. And next thing, to cut and eat many kinds of food, so this is also like a crow, right? So even in the crows you can able to find this kind of thing, right? Okay, and the next, animal teeth. So before we have discussed about the beak, and here it is about animal teeth. Okay, teeth, it is used to bite and chew all those things, right? The food items we will be biting and chewing, right? So for that, cow have short front teeth for snipping grass. Okay, they will be taking out that grasses, no, they will be grazing. For that they need their front teeth, they will have the short front teeth. The teeth on the sides are large and flat for chewing. So this is for chewing. So the teeth which is in the side and the last, okay, the last teeth, it is for chewing. And in the cat, if you see, they have the sharp teeth. This is for to cut and tear the meat. They will eat the meat, right? So for that, this kind of teeth will be present there. And in the snake, it will have the sharp curved teeth, but they do not chew their prey. They will not chew their prey, they always swallow their food. Okay, it will not get cut into pieces and all, they will be swallowing the food as a whole. And squirrel, they will have the front teeth, you can able to see that it will be eating with their front teeth. Yes, it looks very beautiful. They have they have to keep gwanning on the things, keeping their teeth from becoming too long. Okay, so they will have the long teeth to eat that food. Now you are going to write about your teeth. Okay, first of all you are going to write your age. What is your age, you have to mention. And next, how many teeth do you have? So how many teeth do you have, you have to count the teeth and you have to write. Okay, have any of your teeth fallen or broken? How many? If any of your teeth have fallen, okay, so if it is any fallen or else broken, So some teeth you will have that halfly it is broken, no? So likewise, if it is there, you have to mention. And how many teeth it is, okay? How many new teeth do you have? New teeth in the sense after it is get fallen and new teeth it is grown, no? That teeth, okay? How many teeth? How many of your teeth, that is the milk teeth, have fallen and no new teeth have not come in that place? So that how many teeth it is there, you have to count that and you have to write, okay? And next, find out more about teeth. Okay, so now we are going to have a deep study about teeth. Look at your friend's teeth. Are there different kind of teeth? Draw one front teeth and one back teeth in your notebook. Can you see any difference between these teeth? So you are going to observe the shape of the teeth. Okay, so we have different teeth, not all in the same shape and same size. So for that you are going to draw the first teeth, that is the front teeth, and the shape of the back teeth. Okay, so the front teeth and the back teeth you are going to draw in your notebook, and you have to write the difference, what kind of difference you can able to see in that. So that differentiation you are going to mention. So imagine and see, if you do not have this front teeth, both in up and the bottom, have you, can you eat a goa? No, right? So just making fun, you can act and show how you will eat. Okay, you have your front teeth but no at the back. Someone gives you roti, show how you will eat. So if you see, for eating roti we need to chew that, right? So we need that back teeth. So the role of the back teeth, it is to chewing. And if you do not have any teeth in your mouth, what kind of things would you be able to eat? So no teeth in our mouth. So if you see the newborn babies, they will have no teeth. Whether they can able to eat any solid food items, think over it. Draw a picture in your notebook. How would you look if you have no teeth? So if you have no teeth, how your mouth will be? So in that picture you are going to imagine and draw. Okay, find out from the old people who do not have teeth, what are the kinds of things they can not eat. So you are going to meet an old person, so old people, the grandparents in our home. If you see, they if they are not having any teeth, so what kind of things they are eating and what they are avoiding to eat. So that things you are going to mention. And finally, draw a picture of a bird commonly seen in your area. Label its body parts also. So you are going to draw the picture of a bird which you can see very common in your area. Okay, so obviously it will be crow, and if you see any different birds apart from this, you can draw that and you can mention their body parts. Okay, like eye, head region, beak, and their claws, all those things you can draw. Okay, so this is your activity of this session. Thank you, children.